Hello?
Hi, Leonard. I don't know if you remember me, but my name's Ian Adair.
Yeah, of course I remember you. Matthew Clegg told me you'd be calling.
He did? Oh, well, okay. Well, anyway, I just wanted to ask you a few questions about 3D Experience World.
Oh, yeah, for promotion. Okay, that would be great. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, as you know, the conference is going to be in Dallas this year. And I just wanted to ask you, what are the top five things that you're looking forward to?
Okay, that's difficult. I mean, have you asked me last year at this time? My answer would most likely be very different. But okay, so let's try. So I've only been to the US two times before, but I really like how different each city are, and I'm also looking very much forward to see the difference here, which is why I've also treated myself to 2 more days in Dallas after the conference is over.
That's great. Cool. So, what else?
So, well, I'm not sure what it's called now, but the playground, where all the people exhibits, and you can learn a lot there. And there's also something going on, or something to do, or something to look at.
Okay, okay. What else?
Well, the news in SOLIDWORKS. I mean, of course, but not only the news, but also how they want to present it. I mean, this year's platform, the Jones, that was brilliant, and I'm really looking forward to see how they're going to top that. And of course, then there are the presentations.
Yeah, yeah. And from what I understand, you have two, right?
Exactly. But that's not the main event for me this time. For me, it's also to experience the other presentation and see what they have put together. You can really learn a lot in these 3 days.
Yes, you can. So, what would you say is your top thing?
The users. I mean, last year I got to meet a lot of them and I really bonded with them quickly. So I'm looking forward to meeting them once again and catching up.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Leonard. This is all really good stuff.
No, thank you. I'm actually really happy that you're my project manager for this trip.
What do you, project manager? I'm actually just doing the interview, and I'll be seeing you in Dallas.
Oh, but no. Matthew told me that my project manager would be contacting me in, hang on. Okay, so 5 missed calls. Okay, I think I have to go.
All right, Leonard, take care.
Yeah, take care. Hello?
So we meet again, Mr. Tinndahl.
You.